about it. I got those diamond hands and they not counterfeit. They all out of mint, seat by 1,000 widths. Cause I'm cool, I need the cats to match. I need transaction hash, I need them back to back. I need the gas to crash so I can sweep the floor. Talking cats on cats, I need at least 10 more. You damn fool, all the cats are cool, but some more than most. How many points you boast? Are you rocking 10 points or you not even close? Doesn't matter where you got them if your wallet's the host. Cool cats on the blockchain and all in your hopes. Yeah, I got them at the bottom now, look at them go. Picking out for on the low, if you know then you know. Cool cats on a roll, if you know then you know. Yeah, I'm cool, like the cool cats. I got that blue hat, don't wanna lose that. Cause I'm cool, like the cool cats. I'm a cute cat, but you knew that. Yeah, I'm cool, like the cool cats. Gen 2 stack, like bring the blue back. Yeah, I'm cool, like the cool cats. I got that new cat with some cool stats. Yeah, I'm cool. Hey all you cool cats and kittens. Yeah, I'm cool, like the cool cats. I got that blue hat, don't wanna lose that. Cause I'm cool, like the cool cats. I'm a cute cat, but you knew that. Yeah, I'm cool, like the cool cats. Gen 2 stack, like bring the blue back. Yeah, I'm cool, like the cool cats. I got that new cat with some cool stats. Yeah, I'm cool. Matching outfit, they tryna outbid. I'm not about it. I got those diamond hands and they not counterfeit. They all out of mint, seat by 1,000 widths. Cause I'm cool, I need the cats to match. I need transaction hash, I need them back to back. I need the gas to crash so I can sweep the floor. Talking cats on cats, I need at least 10 more. You damn fool, all the cats are cool, but some more than most. How many points you boast? Are you rocking 10 points or you not even close? Doesn't matter where you got them if your wallet's the host. Cool cats on the blockchain and all in your hopes. Yeah, I got them at the bottom now, look at them go. Picking out for on the low, if you know then you know. Cool cats on a roll, if you know then you know. Yeah, I'm cool, like the cool cats. I got that blue hat, don't wanna lose that. Cause I'm cool, like the cool cats. I'm a cute cat, but you knew that. Yeah, I'm cool, like the cool cats. Gen 2 stack, like bring the blue back. Yeah, I'm cool, like the cool cats. I got that new cat with some cool stats. Yeah, I'm cool. Hey all you cool cats and kittens. Yeah, I'm cool, like the cool cats. I got that blue hat, don't wanna lose that. Cause I'm cool, like the cool cats. I'm a cute cat, but you knew that. Yeah, I'm cool, like the cool cats. Gen 2 stack, like bring the blue back. Yeah.
Good morning, cool cats. How we doing? Starting a little bit later than I intended to, but not too bad. Getting there. So what have we got? Why does that look so thin? The stream chat looks mega thin for some reason. Oh, it's actually underneath. Let me see if this helps. Nope. Weird one. It's actually not. Have I just hidden it? Is that why? Oh yeah, why have I hidden it? Bit random. Okay, we've got just going to go through and check some stuff. So we've got Restream Chat. We've got Restream Chat plus Unity. Code View. Oh, we do have Code View, actually. It is working. Cool. We've got our Figma window. Figma. That would be a no. Figma. There we go. Cool. So this is what we're going to try and build. Well, not necessarily build the UI for it, but we're going to try and build the systems that sit behind it. And then we've got our... Cool. So I think we're good to go. What are we going to do first? Let's jump right in, and we're going to do... why is it compiling? Scripts haven't changed anything. Oh, I forget you can't see that. It's just started recompiling the game for me, which is useful. Let me just have a quick drink. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do in our game systems, we're going to create I don't want it to be called a day manager. I want it to be called like a bill manager or bills manager. Right. Oops. I just copied. Oh wait, let me switch over to code. I just copy these over because they have some like useful stuff in them. We obviously want to subscribe to this event, but that's fine. Time of day, that can go. Start, we'll leave that. Okay, so this is what we want to do. We want to do day, night, what do I call it? Cycle manager. Dot on time of day changed. Check end of day. We'll have a function that basically will check on the end of day. What was it? Time of day. Let's just actually reopen this. Time of day. So this passes through time of day. That's pretty cool. So in our function here, we're going to do time of day, time of day. And then we can just debug log it for now. Time of day. Actually, we want to do if time of day dot equals time of day dot. No. Something's not auto completing here. Like something's gone weird with my thing. Time of evening. Then we debug log it. I might need to just save and then. I don't know why it does that. There's like, yeah, some annoying little things, but right, let's get rid of all of this. Save it. Get rid of that as well. Save it. Yeah, why is it not detecting that? Bills manager. This is annoying. Some of my stuff sometimes just does not. It's like a recent thing though. It's like not. Like that should be being detected, right? This time of day, so it can show me it, but it's not. That's annoying. I'm talking about this bit here. It should be, so basically it should be green like this, and then it'll tell you, oh, it's an enum time of day, and then you can click it and it'll take you to it and you can check the stuff. Attached to Unity, is it literally just going to be that little button? No, I don't know what all that stuff is. It just says ready. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. I don't know what all this stuff is. Ready. Stop debugging. Okay, I don't know. Super annoying. We might have to debug this, because this is just going to slow me down massively. Like, it's not, you know, it's not detecting that this is a thing or anything. I don't even know what it's called. What's it called? Like, it's not auto suggest. It's like something else. Let me have a little look. Right, let's have a look, see what that does. Okay. Oh, okay, apparently. Let's just cancel that. Okay, let's sit over here for a second. So we're going to try and fix it. Preferences. External tools. local packages, registry packages, git packages, built. What? Okay, let's try again. Close this. Yeah, sorry if anyone's like chatting or anything at the moment. I'm just trying to solve this annoying issue I've got. So if I double click this. Ooh, okay, thanks happening. Loading solution projects. Did that fix it? Wow, why is there so much stuff in here? It's opened everything. It's opened like all the extensions and everything. Oh, it has kicked in though. Okay, cool. I think we're okay. Let me show you what I was basically just trying to fix. So like this is green now, and it'll tell me. Oh, you can't see the actual little context things that pop up. There's a little context thing. That's really annoying. There's a little context thing that pops up here, and it basically says like time of day. I can click it. When I click it, it takes me to time of day. So now I can see like, oh, what are these? Okay, cool. I think we fixed that. Nice. So this is the bills manager. Initialize. So I like to do this inside an initialize instead of a thingy, because then I can kind of control when it's going to do its thing. So if I open up the game manager, here we go. So I can do, I can do bills manager. There we go. I must have spelled initialize wrong. Oh, it's because it's private. Okay, so now we can initialize it. It will be enabled. That. Yeah, great. So this should, as soon as it gets to evening, actually that is a good point. So this is where this comes in handy. So we've got evening, and then we should have like end of day. Let's do game manager. Oh no, bills manager. If this equals end of day, we are at we are at the end of the day. So in here, what we want to do, game manager.instance.close shop. If progress, okay, so I've already kind of started doing it. So end of day, and then we invoke it. So yeah, so basically if it's like 0.98, we're in the evening. If it's higher than that, we go to the end of day, and then we close the shop. What does this actually do? This close shop probably does nothing, right? Close shop is shop open false. Um, can we get his shop open? We can. That's probably the first thing we're going to need to do is when we hit the end of day, we need to do stuff like our customer manager. Customer manager. We might already be doing this stuff, but I just have to check. Spawn customers routine. Okay. So this will just keep ticking. And if active customers.count is, and we can put in here, and game manager dot is shop open. We can say, and the shop is open. If the shop's not open, then it's not open. But in here, when we close the shop, what we actually want to do as well is we want to find all the customers that we've spawned. Actually, it would be nice to have a function in here to do that, just in case we need to do it for anything else. So if we do public void despawn all customers, and then I think up here we were keeping a list of customers, right? Active customers, yeah. Where did I put it? Oh, right. Okay. So we're going to do loop through active customers. Call customer dot despawn customer. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. Right. Oh wait, I forget. Am I? Yeah. Okay, you can see that. Cool. Okay, despawn all customers. Customer.despawn all customers, and then we're going to use that. So I'll finish that in, and when we close the shop, we're going to do game manager.inst. Oh no, wait, it's inside customer manager.instance dot despawn all customers. Is there anything else we need when we close the shop effectively? I don't think so. Because we close it and we're checking if it's open when we respawn, but then we're... Oops, let me scroll down. I always forget, I've got this cut off a little bit. Right, okay. Despawn all customers. Okay, nice. Cool. The only problem with testing this thing is I'm going to have to wait a long time. Well, actually, I could just change the game levers, I guess. Because we're in our game levers. Game systems, game levers. day night, real seconds per in-game day. So we can just increase that. So what we want to do is we're despawning all the customers once we get to there. Yeah, we're closing the shop. So we're closing the shop once it gets to end of day. And then in the bills manager, we want to basically have something like private void show end of day. And then probably in here as well, we want something that just says public void start new day. So let's have that inside here. Well, no, actually, we'll do that. Start new day. I'm just doubling up on that. I don't need to. Okay, so we'll have a start new day here. What will that do? That will basically make progress. Yeah, so we basically want to say time of day. So if time of day not equals time of day dot end of day. So if the current time of day does not equal the end of the day, then keep moving the progress forward. Otherwise, don't. So then all we need to do is when we start a new day, we can set it back to prep time. So we need to do start new day. Also, we need to do progress as well. So if we do progress equals... Wait, hold on. Where are we? Day progress equals current time. Right. And then we're increase if day progress is greater than or equal to 1f. No, so actually we don't want this in here. We want to do... So when we start a new day, first thing we want to do is we want to increase the number of days, right? So current day plus plus, that's fine, that can go. We also want to do this, and we want to do this as well. So yeah, when we start a new day, we want to do current time is 0, so we reset back to 0. The current day, increment it. We update the day text, and then progress, we'll leave that for now. Current time of day equals time of day dot prep time, and then we just let everyone know that. So the progress is the only thing. Where's progress? Progress was in the update, right? Where's the update gone? Oh, there it is. Day progress. Actually, once we update the time and everything else, update time of day, update time of, yeah, this should kick in and just do it once we trigger this to be prep time again. So this is start new day. This will basically be something we so let me just put this in here. Call from button in end of day UI. So we're going to do that. We're going to call it from a button. Customer manager, that's fine, I think. Bills manager, show end of day. Okay, so this is actually what we want to do, is we want to do show end of day. And we can pass that into here. I mean, I could dump everything in here, but what's the point? Oh, cool. Got our first bit of spam in the chat. So we're going to do time of day. We're just going to pass this in because we might want to show end of day at a different time. Okay, then up here, what we're going to have is we're going to have a serialized field of private transform end of day UI, and then we'll do what we'll actually let's just debug log it anyway for now. In fairness, what we want this to be is called like end of day UI. Right, let's go back into Unity quickly. Us reloading. It should just error. No, it's alright apparently. Let's do new folder, call it bills, and then we will create a new script and call it end of day UI. Okay, cool. So we'll do that, and then this will be called end of day UI. So let's do public void show, and then hide. So in the bills manager, we will do show end of day will be show, and then where have we got the other one? Start new day. Yeah, let's do up here end of day. We'll just drag these two in. So basically when we start a new day, we'll set everything, and then we'll do end of day UI dot hide. Okay, so we've got like the pieces set up for it. Let's go. Oh, I forgot to change back to code. Sorry, everyone. Right, UI canvas, and then we're going to do, what's the closest one? I mean, probably the shop menu. Right, we're going to have to just delete some stuff, but let's rename it. So we're going to do end of day. I'm going to call it end of day. Right, we don't need the shop menu script, but we do need this new one that we've made, so we can drop that in there. Right, which one's shop menu? There we go. Okay, so we don't want a close button because you cannot close the end of day thing. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need the confirm pop-up. We might need that in a bit. We don't need that. Also think, to be honest, we don't need that for now. So let's just add a UI button. Continue. We'll just call this like pay bills. All right, bills manager. No, end of day UI. What we want to do is add in our button. Continue button. False. And then what's the other thing I was going to do? Oh yeah. I don't need the button actually in here because I can just do like public void pay bills. And then we'll probably actually call, so this shows the end of day. Right, so wait, hold on. Check the end of day. We've got that in there. We've got the close of the shop. And we've got start new day. So that's probably where we want to be calling. Let me just put that in here. Attempt to pay bills first. Oh, I'm not back in code. I'm really bad at that. Right, so attempt to pay bills first on start new day. Basically, the end of day UI will call the day night cycle manager start new day. Although actually, it would be cooler to do attempt to pay bills first. Bills manager dot instance dot attempt to pay bills. So let's do this. Let's do public bool attempt to pay bills return true. So we'll do if why does it not let me do that? If oh there. Didn't see that. I've got something on my key, my 0 key. Okay, so and then we need this one, right? Okay, we did it. Okay, so if bills manager else game over, man. Okay, so this pay bills is we're going to link this up to our button. Start new day. I'm going to remove that. Yep. So then we start a new day. We do this. We do bills manager. We hide this. So we set it to false. Okay. I mean, obviously we need to actually work out like paying the bills, right? So this is just return true at the moment down here. We've got the end of day, debug.log. You lost. Okay, back into Unity. Let's see what this does. It's attempting to load up. Okay, so in our button, let's add the end of day, and then pay bills. Okay, so the only other thing we want to do is in our UI manager. Generally speaking, this is a pretty good thing to do. Let's do end of day. I want to rename that. Wait, what? UI end of day is actually what I want. So end of day. So we just want to make sure that it's like set to false, so that they don't load the game up and they can't do anything because it's just in the way. Okay, cool. So that's end of day. That's that done. UI end of day. Pay the bills. Day night cycle manager. Game manager. Bills manager. Okay. I mean, let's give it a test. But first, let's go into our game levers and do. So we've currently got it to 360 seconds. Let's change it to 36. See how that looks. Oh, I haven't set the references for them. So first one is UI manager, UI end of day. I haven't added the bills manager to anything, so let's add bills manager, and then let's add the end of day UI. Let's try again. Oh, there we go. You can see our time moving mega quick. Oh no, I got circle on me. Oh, it's already 1 p.m. Okay, cool. So hopefully this should trigger like the end of day UI and allow us to basically, it should pause everything as well. Oh yeah, we should pause the. Okay. Right. What happened there? Oh, we got the animator on it. Remove the animator. Also, we got this. It can only be called on an active agent that's been placed on a nav mesh. Okay. Yeah, that's going to be like a race thing we need to have a look at. Okay, cool. I'm hopeful this should work anyway. It's a bit blooming like massive. Why is it so big? Like massive speech bubbles. Anyway. Okay, now let's see what happens. We're pretty happy with this if we've got this sort of hooked up, and then in between I can sort of work on stuff. Okay, the timer's no longer going. That's interesting. We get to 9:40 p.m. I need to keep an eye on these. I think everything's based off time, right? Because I built it properly. So nothing should be continuing. So now I click pay bills. It should take us to day 2 at the top here and reset the time. And then these should all trigger again. So if I click pay bills. I mean, it did work. But it's not got rid of the window. Well, actually, I think we've got an error. Let's collapse them. Why are these so big? Something's changed with my actually log entry. It'll be somewhere, but it's made them massive. I don't get why these are so big. Well, whatever. I'll sort it out in a bit. Like I don't need that to be such a big console log. It's huge. Right, what was the error we got? Day night cycle manager. Oh, did we? Yeah, we don't have our. That's why it didn't close as well. So that's good to know. Managers, day night cycle manager, UI end of day. There we go. Right, let's try it again. Oops. If this works, I think this will be a good place to finish, because I think the other stuff's going to take me a while. But okay, now we wait. Time flies when you're having fun. Oh, hey Mo, how's it going? We're just testing Bill's manager. See how that's gonna go. Okay, everything's frozen. 9:40 again, nice. So yeah, everything's froze, and then we pay bills. It takes us to day 2. Yeah, in the morning, and yeah. Obviously, we want to do something like a nice transition type stuff where it sort of actually almost goes dark, and then you click pay bills and so on. Let's just check that it works a second time. It should. Oh look, there's some trash. Let's take the trash out. Oh no. He's doing alright for himself. Oh. That's interesting. So the cars keep going. I need to stop the cars going when you're in the pay bills screen. Also, it would be cool when you're in the pay bills screen if there's like a different bit of music, just to signify you're in a different stage of the game. So yeah, pay bills. Day 3. Nice. Pretty good. See if we can actually serve someone. Let's grab the coffee machine. Nice. It's like I know. Pay bills. It'd be nice if I mean, I know if paying bills is annoying, but it'd be nice if real life was like this, right? You click pay bills, then you're done. Why hasn't anyone done that yet? Where it's like, there's so much life admin you have to deal with without being able to just get on with life. Yeah. I mean, it's good timing, Mo, 'cause I'm just about to end the stream, I'll be honest. But I appreciate you stopping by. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Let's wrap up. So yeah, I think what we'll try and do is we'll try and fill out some more of this UI. We've got it kind of working. We need to actually pay the bills, so that will be a good thing to sort out. Is actually paying them, and then yeah, and then we'll sort of have a little game loop going, because we can test. Oh, can you make enough money before the bills are due? Is kind of the core loop. Make enough money before the bills are due. How do you actually make enough money? Well, you have to make sure the milk jug is clean. You have to make sure the customers are happy. You have to make sure like they're comfortable and they're being served on time, and so it's like a simple little loop. Make enough money to pay the bills effectively. Yeah, and it should give that frantic feeling, but then also that feeling of like, okay, cool, I can just relax a little bit knowing that yeah, the paid, because one thing we might want to do is like, oh, bills are due, and basically like time just freezes, so it allows you to wander around, maybe pick up any trash that's left over, things like that, like maybe rearrange the shop, stuff that isn't going to directly make you gold, but it's kind of like clean up after the fact. So yeah, I think that would be good. But yeah, there's another stream, and yeah, yeah, don't forget to you know, like and subscribe across all the Cool Cats channels. Feel free to follow me on Twitch. I'm on Twitch now, twitch.tv/Linkoid.